Mr. Bruno, Monday, Papa. It's Monday. Let me get one more sip in. Now that my coffee break is up, happy Monday to everybody. What does that mean? That means a lot of progression happened, and that means we're starting on a lot of new projects. So today we're gonna do the walk around, and we're gonna show you what we've achieved from last week. Let's do this. Bruno's active today, right? Yeah, Mucho working today.
I'm working and cleaning.
Today, look, he's awake. He got a fresh cut. He's ready to work, baby.
I'm ready anytime.
Anytime. 7 days in the week. He's ready. Thank you, Bruno. A lot has progressed on it since the last time you guys saw it. I know you guys saw the wrap. You guys never got to see these stars, so I want to show you guys these stars now. This is something custom. Not the ordinary. Got the planets in there, shooting stars, and of course, a lot of progression and completion, the rear sound system. iPad, this actually still has to get wrapped, but you get it. So you guys checked out the wrap, you guys seen the stars, and you guys finally seen the completion of the sound system. Only thing left is the custom Forgiato wheels that have been shipped out last week. So we should be receiving them any day now. We're gonna throw those bad boys on. We're gonna detail the car and we're gonna give it in this week. This GLE 63 just rolled in today. This is actually a football player's car. I'm not gonna mention his name. You guys will see when we add his signature stars into the car. Meaning we did a custom star headliner and it has his signature logo built in. One of one, and I think it's one of the sickest headliners we did.
Loading complete.
So here's the progress on that GTR I showed you guys earlier. As you can see, wrap is getting worked on. Car's fully disassembled. We noticed some minor dings and dents in the hood, so we thought we should take care of that before wrapping that panel. So when the wrap is done, it looks flawless. You won't see those air bubbles. You won't see dings, dents under the car, and it'll come out clean and pristine. GLS 63 is also back here in the wrap studio. It's fully disassembled. Next step, we're gonna apply the full clear wrap, as we told you, and we're gonna put this bad boy together and we're gonna give it into the customer.
Play me some Pippin, man.
Right here, we got the all-new Durango. Just came into the shop. I'm doing a special shout out for this one, my homie from the Army. If you remember in our last video when we went to go buy that Jeep Grand Cherokee for Papalote at the dealer, my guy was there buying the car and he wasn't messing around. He just pulled this new Durango out. First thing he did was bring it to Autosport, but I want him to tell you what we're gonna do next. So I'm gonna get him on this mic right now.
Hey, what's up? You know, I've been dealing with my man here since 2007.
2007?
Yeah. Damn, that's a long time. Just pulled the truck off the lot today. First thing I'm coming to do is get my windows tinted. Next week, I got an appointment, come get my ceramic coat. They gonna make sure it's good. Lifetime warranty, they always take care of me. Already know, this is the spot to come to. Anything you need to get your car done, they got it. holla at them.
This is the fuel code card that I was telling you guys about that will be given away in a free raffle. Log on to fuelcode.com and get the details, and this could be all yours.